it's Louise with Louise McKay Art, and while I'm on a coaster to tile jag to supplement the tiles I need for my son's wedding, which by the way, they're coming out really cool. Same color palette, and I'm not going to bore you with continuing to make the same coasters. What I am going to do, when I get done with these colors from his wedding, I'm going to try a different color palette just to make some spare coasters to have and maybe sell. And the color palette I'm going to try is DecoArt Obsidian, a combination of burnt sienna from Golden with Quinacridone Nickel Gold, and I'll tell you why I combine these two types of paint. The Golden Bronze, Iridescent, and then the Prizmpour. And then I'll also add to that the DecoArt 24 karat gold to that color palette. Now when I was mixing these paints up, these two fluid paints did not mix the same as these two paints, which have a lot more body to them. So when I was mixing up the burnt sienna, it was just way too thin. I mean, it was like water thin, like a pearl mix. So I decided to add some Quinacridone Nickel Gold from the tube, and it thickened it up nicely. Now my bronze, I wanted to keep this color bronze and not add another different bronze to it like Modern Masters, which would have made it much darker. And I had to thicken it up somehow. So what I ended up doing is pulling out this, which I purchased a few months ago. This is called Liquitex Gel, and this is gloss. And I added this to the mixture, added a couple dabs, dollops, like fingertip, half a fingertip size, and mixed it in with the paint, and it makes it really good and it thickens it up. So now that all the consistencies are about the same. So just wanted to share that with you. This is invaluable when you have a consistency issue where something is too thin, you can't get it thicker. This works and it's nice. Another option is to leave the paint open for a period of time to let some of the water evaporate and let it thicken. So I just wanted to share that with you before I get into another pour. All right, we're back with the fourth tile from that series. Hey everyone, I'm just going to let you know that I'm going to go at real speed, even though I've edited some portions out, some little snippets. I wanted to go at real speed so you can see the whole process. And I do make a couple comments here and there that might be worth listening to, so stay tuned. All right. I'll be quiet. Thanks. I think the gold is done for the day. Nickel with raw. I wrote raw umber. It's burnt sienna. I'm going to put more of this on this time because it's spectacular. I wonder if I'm not level because it keeps moving. Obsidian. God, this is a nice color combination. And bronze. All right. Cell activator. And I am practically out of cell activator. White. Nice aim. can't get it to go. My blow on the last few ones have been a little off. Hey everyone, so for those that don't know why I'm pulling out the straw and blowing in the center is I'm blowing down on the cell activator to push that cell activator open to allow the paint underneath to push up and through the cell activator to give the cells. That's what's happening here. Wow. All right. So folks, here I'm just taking the paint and dabbing it to the edges to kind of stretch it out and give it a head start just before I get ready to spin this out. Okay, last but not least. This one looks gorgeous. I'm not even. Where am I? Good thing I caught that. That's in the middle. Yeah, no room in this cup. I don't even think this paint's gonna be any good because it got baked yesterday. Literally baked. I mean, I might as well just put the paints in the oven, turn it on 400. Say good luck. Good luck, paints. Survive the heat. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I sound like a fool. I can't believe it. Oh my Lord. Wow. How many of you have phones that constantly are ringing? You get the call and there's nothing there. Let's see what we look like. God, I hate to waste this. Unfortunately, I think it needs another spin. I cannot get over this. And it's just pure, just pretty. Look at this thing. Wow. Yeah. I'll be making a few more of these. All right, folks, thanks for staying by. I'm gonna probably end on the pictures at the end, you know, with a video or a flyover. And I know these things are gonna be spectacular once they get resined. For all the newbies, remember to hit subscribe. Hopefully you like the video. For all the old timers, thank you for being loyal. and sticking by, and I hope I don't disappoint, because while I'm learning here, I hope you guys are getting something out of this as well. And I don't mind sharing things, and because it becomes a win-win for everybody. All right, thank you, and take care. Hey everyone, just want to show you the flyover, and for some reason when I moved this to iMovie, it cut off the last, or the top tile there. But this is one heck of a color combo with the Chantilly lace from Prizmpour, the Nicolazo Gold Burnt Sienna combo from Glidden, 24 karat gold, Obsidian from DecoArt, and then the Iridescent bronze from Glidden. Just one killer combo. Nice generic earthy tone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Until next time.